Let's solve this equation. Let's first see if this will factor equals 0. For 7x squared, let's try 7x and x. For 1, let's try 1 and 1. And I think it will factor that 7x squared and then that 7x plus 1x, which is 8x, plus 1. So there we are, great. It factors, so we have a factored polynomial on one side, 0 on the other side. So now we set each factor equal to 0, and then we solve. Or x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here we'll subtract 1 from both sides, so we'll have 7x is negative 1. We will divide both sides by 7, and we'll have that x is negative 1/7, or here we'll subtract 1 from both sides, and we'll have or x is negative 1. And we have two solutions then. Here's my solution set notation. Negative 1 is a solution, and negative 1/7 is a solution.